Hi guys, I just wanted to show you a few things for this week's class pages. So this is last week's stuff. I am going to come over here, and if you look on the side where you have been clicking, we are now going to be in week 2 reading and writing and week 2 math. So all of your last week's stuff is there, so if you haven't had a chance to do anything, you can always go back to that for reference, and I'm going to keep that there. So for this week, I'm going to click week 2 reading and writing. And it's mostly set up the same way as last week. There's just a few changes that I did make. So I added in our focus wall, which I know the picture is tiny. I'm going to go back in and see if I can make that bigger and fix that. Again, here is your checklist for this week. So a little blurb on what we are doing, things that you must do this week, and for what days 1 through 5, and then things that you may do this week. As you notice down here, it says try one or all of our enrichment activities. That is something new that I put in over here, and I'll talk about that in a minute. So again, in the middle, here are all our videos for readings, days 1 through 5. And here down below it are our worksheets. So if I click, I organize them a little better this week so that it isn't as many that it looks like for each day, but we still have 2 worksheets within this. So if I click, it's just organized a little better. So if I click reading worksheet day 1 that you guys will be doing today, and I just wanted to show you a little easier way to get into it. So shout out to the parent that taught me this one because it's definitely more convenient. So if you come over here and you click the 3 dots up in the corner and then click take assessment, it takes you straight into the assessment that you were supposed to be doing. So you don't have to go through and search through all of the assessments, just definitely a little easier way. And then I want to show you when you get into the assessment, what it kind of looks like, just so you make sure that you're not skipping any of the pages. Okay, so down here at the bottom, you'll see next question. So once you answer all of these, you can either click next question. You also have the pages right here. So if I click my second page, it brings me to my second worksheet for the day. Okay, do double check that you're scrolling up and down as you are completing these assignments, because I noticed a few last week where questions down at the bottom were left off, and I think that might just be because the page maybe wasn't scrolled down all the way. So do double check that you're scrolling down to make sure that you've completed all of the questions on each page. Okay, so then that is just that new little better organized way. There's the page 1, page 2, and also your next question. So don't submit it until you've done both pages. In 2 of our math assignments for this week, on Thursday and Friday, you'll be doing a math test, and those both will have 3 pages on them. Okay, and then coming over to the side, here's your writing video for this week, your writing assignment. And then down below are those enrichment activities. Okay, so here's a brief, right here, a brief description of your leveled readers, where to find them and what they are. Same thing with the fiction and nonfiction book. I sent you 2 books to your Epic account. So if you choose to read one or both of those, then you can complete the nonfiction or fiction book organizer down here, depending on what book you read. And then the comprehension practice, a little blurb about that. So then there's all of these assignments right here that goes with your enrichment activities. Okay, so those, again, they're optional. You can try one, you can do none. It's totally up to you and your child, and especially if you're finding these assignments over here in the middle easier, these would definitely be something that would offer more writing practice, more comprehension practice. So then same thing over here when we click week 2 math, that'll show us our math for today, for this week. So again, a little blurb right here on what we are doing for this week, and then here is our checklist. So what you must do days 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and things you may do if you finish those early. Again, in the middle are your math videos for this week, your math worksheets, which are again organized the same way as the reading. So it's just a little more organized this week. And then over here, your resources, and then here are those enrichment activities. So I made 2 challenge problems for math. If you choose to do those, that's great. If not, that's fine too. But it's just something a little extra, especially if you find this stuff over here a little easier. Okay, that's it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know.